Hello, friends. Let me ask you something. Have you ever had to choose between paying for your medicine or buying groceries? Do you worry about how you'll pay your rent? Or if your Social Security check will last until the end of the month? If you're living on a low income, or you're on Social Security or SSDI, you know how hard it can be. You work hard to stretch every dollar, but sometimes it just isn't enough. But what if I told you there's a way you could get up to $2,000 from the IRS, even if you don't usually file taxes? That's right. There's a special tax credit for people with disabilities, and you might qualify. Today, I'll show you step by step how to check if you're eligible and how to claim this money. So grab a pen and paper, and let's do this together. You deserve every dollar you can get. Let's start with the basics. The disability tax credit is a special benefit from the IRS. It's designed to help people who have a disability or who are on Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, or Supplemental Security Income, SSI. If you qualify, you could get up to $2,000 back from the IRS. This is real money. You can use it for anything you need: food, rent, medicine, or just to help you breathe a little easier. And here's the best part. You don't have to be working, and you don't have to pay taxes every year to get this credit. Even if you haven't filed taxes in a long time, you might still get this money. So, who can get this credit? Let's keep it simple. You may qualify if you have a disability that keeps you from working, you get SSDI or SSI, or you are 65 or older and have low income. You do not have to be working. You do not have to pay taxes every year. Even if you haven't filed taxes in a long time, you might still get this money. Let's break it down even more. If you get a monthly check from Social Security Disability, SSDI, or Supplemental Security Income, SSI, you're probably eligible. If you're 65 or older and your income is low, you might also qualify, even if you don't get disability benefits. And if you have a disability that keeps you from working but you don't get SSDI or SSI, you might still be able to claim this credit. The rules are designed to help people who need it most. Now let's talk about what's new for 2025. The IRS has made some changes to make it easier for people on SSDI and SSI to claim this credit. Here's what's important. The maximum credit is now up to $2,000 for individuals. You can use the new 1040SR form, which is made for seniors. If you haven't filed taxes before, you can still apply as a non-filer. The IRS has made the forms a little simpler, but you still need to be careful. For 2025, the income limits have also changed a little. If your total income is below about $15,000 for individuals or $20,000 for couples, you're in the right range. These numbers can change, so check the IRS website or call for the latest. Let's check if you're eligible, step by step. Step 1. Are you getting SSDI or SSI? If yes, you're likely eligible. Step 2. Are you 65 or older with low income? If yes, you may also qualify. Step 3. Do you have a disability that keeps you from working even if you don't get SSDI or SSI? You might still qualify. Step 4. Check your income. For 2025, if your total income is below about $15,000 for individuals or $20,000 for couples, you're in the right range. If you're not sure, look at your Social Security award letter or your bank statement. Add up all your income for the year. If it's under the limit, you're good to go. Now, let's talk about how to apply. Step 1. Get the right forms. You'll need IRS Form 1040 SR for seniors, or Form 1040 for others, Form 8862 if you've ever had the credit denied before. You can get these forms online at irs.gov or at your local library or community center. Step 2. Fill out your basic information: name, address, social security number. Step 3. On the form, look for the section about credit for the elderly or the disabled. This is where you claim the disability tax credit. Step 4. If you're a non-filer, meaning you don't usually file taxes, you can use the IRS Free File tool online or get help from a local tax clinic or AARP tax aid. Step 5. Double-check everything. Make sure your social security number is correct and your income is listed right. Step 6. Mail your forms to the IRS or file online if you can. Step 7. Wait for your check or direct deposit. This can take a few weeks, so be patient. Let me give you a real-life example. Mary is 68 years old. She gets $900 a month from Social Security, and she doesn't work. She never filed taxes before because her income was too low. But this year, she filled out the 1040-SR and claimed the disability tax credit. A few weeks later, she got a check from the IRS for $1,800. She used it to pay off her electric bill and buy new glasses. If Mary can do it, so can you. Now let's talk about some common mistakes and warning tips. Mistake number 1. Forgetting to sign your form. Always sign and date your tax forms. Mistake number 2. Using the wrong social security number. Double-check every number. Mistake number 3. Falling for scams. The IRS will never call you and ask for your bank info over the phone. If someone calls and says they're from the IRS, hang up. Mistake number 4. Not keeping a copy of your forms. Always make a copy for your records. Mistake number 5. Missing the deadline. For 2025, the deadline is April 15th. Don't wait until the last minute. If you need help, you're not alone. You can get free help from AARP Tax Aid, local community centers, IRS Volunteer Income Tax Assistance, VITA programs, or by calling the IRS at 1-800-829-1040. Don't be afraid to ask for help. You deserve this money. I know paperwork can be scary, but you are strong. You've made it this far, and you deserve every dollar you can get. Take it one step at a time. Ask for help if you need it. And remember, you are not alone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more tips. You never know who might need this information. Maybe your neighbor, your friend, or someone at your church. Let's help each other get the money we deserve. Thank you for watching, and take care.